Guys, ये 2 दिन के अंदर इसने मेरा acne गायब कर दिया. This is by far my favorite. I love when brands put thought into their packaging. It does not have full coverage. This is actually very pigmented. These are stunning. You smell expensive. Interesting. Please, मैं अगर बेवकूफ लग रही हूँ तो please let it be. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prableen and you can see we have a lot of PR behind and काफ़ी टाइम से मैंने PR unboxing किया नहीं था. I was basically just collecting everything कि मैं एक ही साथ बैठ के आपको सब products दिखाऊं because honestly we have quite a few new launches that I haven't had a chance to try and I know maybe आपने काफ़ी सारे लोगों को already वो सब का review करते हुए देख लिया होगा. But I wanted to take my time and collect more things so I could make like one video where I can include all the products. So here are all the PR products that I have received in the past 1 month, I would say, and this is just going to be a fun, chatty, first impressions kind of a video where you and we're going to sit together, discuss the products, and I'm going to give you my first impressions. So if you are someone that is interested to see new launches that are happening in India, then definitely keep on watching. But before that, if this is the first time that you're seeing me, then hi, I'm Prableen. I create content around makeup, fashion, lifestyle. We're all filter free. Take a moment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. This is the first hamper we have from Bobbi Brown. How cute. Just look at the packaging. I mean, it's Bobbi Brown, so it has to be like luxurious. We have their Weightless skin foundation. It's this new foundation that they've launched. I actually had gone for their event. They had invited all of these creators from Mumbai, and Tara Sutaria was there, who was their brand ambassador. And उन्होंने हमें उनके न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाए थे. दिस इज़ देयर फेस बेस. ये तो आपने काफ़ी लोगों को देखा होगा यूज़ करके बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल यूज़ दिस एज देयर बेस, बट इट्स ऑफ क्रीम. इट्स मोर ऑफ अ थिक क्रीम बेस, जबकि मुझे वाटर बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा पसंद है, इसलिए आई डू नॉट प्रिफर गोइंग फॉर दिस बिकॉज आई फील दैट इट जस्ट मेक्स मी स्वेट अ लॉट मोर. दे हैव ऑल्सो गिवन अ ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर एंड दे हैव ऑल्सो गिवन दिस. इट्स अ paint stick. Oh, it's like a sketch pen. I'm just going to show you the foundation. I am in the shade Natural Tan. I actually tried the foundation event पे और मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. It was very lightweight, but let's put it on the skin. It's a very good match for me. But this foundation, I would say, is more on the everyday foundation side because I don't think it has like light to medium coverage. It does not have full coverage. So if you're someone that's going to think of buying this foundation for like all the coverage, I don't think so. It's like a thicker BB cream that's a little too light in terms of coverage. This still has coverage, but I would put it in like light to medium coverage category. And I'm not going to put it on the other side because if we have any other product then we can try. Please, मैं अगर बेवकूफ लग रही हूँ तो please let it be. I feel the shade match is pretty good. This is a Michael Kors bag that we got because Michael Kors का event हुआ था where they launched Anushka Sharma's newest limited edition watch. We did not get any product at the event. We literally only got chocolates as PR hampers, and this bag came just with chocolates. So I don't have anything to show you, but I wanted to keep the bag so I can show you that I got to go to the event. These are a few pictures at the event, and it was actually a very fancy setup, and I got so many compliments for my outfit. The next launches we have are from Nykaa. It's their blush sticks. I am so excited because Nykaa is actually keeping up with all the trends and how. Like, they are launching so many products, and this comes in 4 shades: peach, flirty peach, pink passion, rosy rush, and berry cute. I really feel like putting pink passion. Let's see how they look like. Packaging is pretty simple. Under it's written "Look at you blush." Ooh, very cute. It's like this metallic pinky. So it comes with like this protection cover lid. It's such a cute pink color, yeah. I'm not going to use a brush or a beauty blender. I want to see how it just applies with like my fingers. It's such a nice color. And let's blend. This is actually very pigmented, but also very creamy, and it gives like that dewy sheen. I hope you can see it. It's giving that sheen, like that glossy, nice finish, and I really like it. This is like the pink shade that I will love. It's like that pink shade. you know, Barbie pink, but not like very neon-y. I might look like a fool because आधी सारी चीज़ें तो मैंने की भी नहीं, ना ही मैंने concealer लगाया है, but just for you guys to know. These are the other shades. This is Flirty Peach. It's a very nice peachy everyday kind of a shade. Then we have Rosy Rush. It's actually like a very rosy, but it's also, it has that patha color होता है ना, जो मिट्टी का color होता है. It has that kind of a warm, rusty kind of a look to it. And the last shade we have is Berry Cute. It's like a beautiful magenta pink berry color. I think it's going to look very very pretty even on deeper skin. तो अगर आप अगर थोड़ा on the deeper skin level हो, maybe this will be your favorite pick because this is such a pretty berry pink color. Then we got this bag from Estee Lauder companies. I don't know if you guys know, but मैंने उनके साथ recently collaborate किया था for Clinique, and I think this is why they've sent this hamper, and it's just, it has all Estee Lauder companies brands from Too Faced. They've sent this Kissing Jelly Gloss. It's in the shade Grape Soda. Oh, it's so cute, so glossy, and it actually smells like grapes. And it also tastes good. Then we have the Clinique Black Honey. आप लोगों ने ये तो बहुत बार देख ही लिया होगा because it's actually a very good lip balm. Every time it comes in PR, all of my friends take it away. Last time it was Dolly's turn to take it. Now I think Nishtha is going to take it because it's very good, very hydrating, gives you that natural, comfortable, everyday shade, and it also stays on for the entire day. Then we have the Scalp Exfoliating Treatment. This is actually, I think it's for dandruff and like that excess जो gunk रहता है आपके scalp पे, उसके लिए. It's from Aveda. This is also one of their brands. Then we have the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gulabe. You know my love for Smashbox lipsticks. I think ये one of my favorite liquid lipsticks है in the market. Like, that's a very big claim, but I really really like it. I feel सबके lips का texture, सबके lips same नहीं होते, तो मेरे lips पे सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable, मुझे ये बहुत luxurious feel करता है मेरे lips पे. It's very comfortable, it feels expensive, it's thick. So they also sent this from MAC. I love this. I use the one in blue almost all the time. आप लोग कभी भी मुझे blue eyeliner के साथ देख रहे हो, mostly वही पहना है मैंने. This is from Bobbi Brown. It's their Kohl Kajal. I was so surprised कि मैंने ये product पहले नहीं use किया था because guys, this is one of the best kajals available in the market. Again, a very big claim, but this does not smudge. It's like a basic black kajal. I am never inclined towards kajals, but my mom used to wear my mom still wears kajals all the time, and उनको मैं जो भी काजल आती है ना directly मैं उनको दे देती हूँ. So she, out of all the kajals, she's like, this one is too good. Like, एक बार जब भी आप लगाओगे, literally like glides on your waterline. So creamy and still so pigmented and does not smudge, does not bleed. Very very good and complete value for money. I know it's a little on the expensive side, not a little, it is expensive, I know, but I feel it's just up to you. If you can spend, then definitely why not try the product. The next PR hamper we have is from Grass. It's ooh, I have seen this brand come up recently. How cool is this? Okay, so this is their SPF 50 whipped sunscreen. It says that it has 3D sun protection, UVA, UVB. Why have they given kapda? This is the product. It's Play Dirty Sunscreen Whip. Am I just supposed to put it on like directly? I'm gonna put it on my neck actually. Oh my god. Oh, it's messy. That's a lot of... I feel you're supposed to take like very little. I'm going to put it on my hand actually. This is very very messy. Oh, it fully evaporated in like a second. That's nice. Let's take this much. Put it on the hand. Gone. That's nice actually, and it's not even sticky or like thick or anything like that. I'll have to blend this. I feel you can just take like a little bit and then blend all of that. It doesn't even feel like you have anything, but it's a little sticky, I will say. Not like there's nothing on your hands. वैसी वाली feeling है that you will want to wash your hand, but It does not feel anything on your body. I like the finish actually. I'm going to try it for some time and then tell you if it can be used under makeup. Let me know if you want me to review it properly. The next hamper we have is from Gush Beauty. Gush Beauty is also doing a lot of new launches actually. Ooh, they've launched new blushes. They've given this pouch. I think iske andar blush jayega aise. These can also be stuck to your like keychains and stuff like that just to carry. They've sent me 2 blushes, I think. It's their squishy blush. This packaging is actually going viral in a lot of places because I think मैंने एक foreign में कोई एक brand ने भी ये product launch किया है ऐसा. This is how it is. Oh, you have to open it like that. Okay, you just have to open it and then you have to squeeze the product out. It directly comes out like easily, but now I don't have place to put. But I want to see how pigmented this is, so I'm going to put it on my eyelid. Oh, it's very creamy and very easy to blend, I will say. It's very easy to blend and it gives that nice flush of color. You can also use it as your eyeshadow base and it's not glossy. Like ये दोनों में difference ये है कि ये वाला जो blush था वो थोड़ा creamy, glossy, dewy finish दे रहा था. ये वाला जो blush है, it's giving like a matte finish for some reason, or I don't know, maybe I've applied it on my eyelid, but it's such a nice eye base to use. But yeah, I really like it actually. But I feel इसके अंदर इतना सारा product है, आप इसको you'll have to use like very little amount because it's difficult to remove the, like you can remove it but बहुत सारा निकल जाएगा and you won't even be able to use it because it's so pigmented. This is in the shade Cocoa Powder, the one that I've put. Both of these they look the same. Can you see? दोनों same. ये I think थोड़ा nudish लग रहा है. So this is Cocoa Powder, which is more on the browner, warmer side. This is more neutral. But this is called Strawberry Crush, but it doesn't look pinky and I will expect pink to be like this pink. The next hamper we have is, I can't see the brand's name. It's Juicy Chemistry. Oh my god, how cute is this? It's been ages since I've received their PR. Okay, this has like a bow on top. How cute. How cute is that? मुझे बहुत time से इनका PR नहीं आया था. So they've sent this tiny twig babying your skin because you deserve it. I think this is just like a normal towel, napkin. I'm going to use it. I need like napkins just to keep in like my bag. Then we have a lot of products. So they have sent their Kajal, their new Kajal. I've never tried Juicy Chemistry's makeup like ever. And then they have this moisturizing mineral sunscreen. I don't think I'll be able to open up everything and show you guys. So if you want any individual product reviews, please let me know in the comments. So I will do like an individual product review because वो काफ़ी आपको पसंद आ रहा है. Like maybe one brand review या ऐसा कुछ, because that makes more sense जहाँ पे मैं आपको detailed review दे सकूँ. Then we have the Jasmine Dew Mist. I actually think this is like an old launch. Like ये product मैंने use किया है. उनका एक प्रोडक्ट था which was blue, कांच का एक बॉटल थी उनकी, blue या purplish, and I used to use it like as a setting, like as a face mist, and it was so nice. And the last 2 products are the Chili Horsetail and Black Seed Natural Hair Oil. I wanted to try a new hair oil because काफ़ी times मैं Fabelin main का use कर रही हूँ. I really like that. And then they've also sent their lipstick which is in the shade Rubicon LS11. It's a soft matte finish for 1,000 rupees. Then we have a hamper of Foxtail products. I have been loving their niacinamide serum. वो मैं काफ़ी time से use कर रही हूँ. They've sent their Retinol night serum, and they've also sent their hydrating cleanser. This I have used and I really like. Thank you for sending it back. And even their glow sunscreen, I feel they're doing very, very, very good product launches. And it's nice to see like homegrown brands come up with like new products and like do such a good job. Because honestly, if you get good products in like great price point, and Foxtail is like extremely inexpensive. मतलब उनके products, I think उन्होंने अभी बीच में तो buy 2 get 2 sale किया था, जिसके अंदर I feel everyone could buy everything. Like 300 rupees, if you were spending, you could get like 4 products in 300-350 rupees. Because Nykaa के sale में I myself ordered 2 products and I got 2 products free. और वो भी I could choose whatever I wanted. Next we have a box from Dr. Sheth. I have loved Dr. Sheth's products so much because उनके sunscreens, उनके face washes, उनके face peels were very, very nice. They've sent more. Their Kojic and Kesar sunscreen. Then they've also sent their niacinamide and neem and salicylic acid ampule serum. This is so good for people that have acne, guys. It's actually such a good, I feel like organic, natural things that you get available very easily, combined with like a salicylic acid, combined with a niacinamide, all of these just do so well. Right now, like I've been testing out this, I'll show that to you as well. एक new product है जो use मैं कर रही थी, and they've also sent their Kesar and Kojic Underarm Rollon. This is their new launch, and I have another one. They had sent it to me. 1-1.5 महीना हुआ है कि उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा हुआ है जब उन्होंने मुझे भेजा था, तो मैं तब से उसको use कर रही हूँ to review this product. So I'm going to tell you how I feel about it, but thank you so much for sending more products and giving this as well. I also got this scent from Catalyst PR. This is Kerstas hair serum. Guys, it smells divine. I'm just going to take a little bit and put it like just niche. The shine, the smell is divine. Like it's, you smell expensive. My hair has been behaving so well. I'm so happy because my hair care routine has improved, and how, and now I just know what works for me and I just stick to that. So I'm going to make like a non-sponsored hair care routine video as well. The next PR we have is from this brand called Os Glow. I've heard of this brand, but I've never tried any of their products. It is their deep cleansing balm, anti-aging makeup remover. Why would you need an anti-aging ingredient in a makeup removing balm is something I do not understand, but a lot of brands do that. This is how it looks. It's a big tub. Skin regeneration. I love the color. I love the dabba also. It's made in Korea is what is written, and I don't know the price point of this. It's for 1750 rupees, which is expensive. There are so many options in cleansing balms that I can think of, but I would love to like try this and see if it actually is good, or if it works for my skin type, because it's written it's suitable for all skin types. The next box we have is from Moody. I've never actually tried any of their products. I think this is the first time that they're sending me a hamper. Moody Acnexpert, your new bestie for acne prone skin. It's their acne range. Let's get one thing very clear. Your skin. Interesting. We heard you like to pop. Cute packaging actually. Ooh, lovely. I love when like brands put in thought in their packaging. Like this is such cute. Ow. I love when brands put thought into their packaging. Like look at that. It's so, oh yeah, this is what had gone viral. I feel this packaging and this product. इसके अंदर I think they also have like another product as well. I think उनका कोई और sunscreen था which was similar to this packaging like design which I had seen on other people. This is their mattifying dry touch sunscreen. It gives like a thanda feel, and it has niacinamide and green tea. Smells good. Like it does not have any smell actually. Then we have the Acnexpert oil-free moisturizer. I'm not going to open everything. Then we have their pore cleansing foaming face washes. I actually really like foaming face washes. I feel it takes like less product but works, like you can foam it up very well, and I in general like foamy products. Then we have two interesting products. So we have an Acnexpert overnight spot correcting pen. Under say it's like this. Ooh, it's like pinkish in color. It's actually easy to apply. It has salicylic acid and green tea, two good ingredients for acne. And then they have, this is correct. And then they also have fade, like a similar packaging, like a duo. Can you see this? Like correct and fade. The other one has tranexamic acid and kojic acid. Actually, that's like a very, very good, well thought combination, because honestly, these two are such good ingredients for acne marks. Kojic acid has to be one of the best. I love azelaic acid as well. Acne marks ke liye. I feel it's such a well thought new launch. In fact, whenever I think of acne related launches or like skincare related launches already in a very cluttered space, it's very important for you to think about your products ताकि आप कुछ launch कर सको जो innovative हो but also effective हो. Like you can't just launch something that is already there in the market with like a different packaging. It's not going to work. And I feel different combinations work on different skin types very well. Recently, I'm going to show you the other product as well. So a new launch that I was sent to try was this from Plix. It's their Jamun Acne Spot Corrector. You know I love spot corrector. So I was like, new spot corrector, let me try. Guys, ये 2 दिन के अंदर इसने मेरा acne गायब कर दिया है. Like, and this is like completely non-sponsored. I tried this product and I really like it. This also has triconol and has salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is my best friend, you know. So whenever I have acne, I literally just go back to anything that has salicylic acid. So I was very excited, and it's for 450 rupees. Very, very, very effective. Easy packaging. Directly ऐसे इसको आप squeeze out करो तो बाहर product आ जाएगा. No hassle, thoda thick bhi hai, so it stays on the product. So I use this and I really like it. Another product we have, which is a new launch, is this from Pure Sense. ये मैं use कर चुकी हूँ, तो I'm just faking the reaction because I have tried the product. It's exactly, this is what, मतलब अंदर ये product है, मैं गिर जाएगा इसलिए मैंने निकाल दिया है. They've given this keychain of like the strawberry, and they have sent this product. Now this is their Pure Sense Watermelon Burst Glow Face Serum, which has hyaluronic acid. Guys, if you love glow recipes, watermelon face serum, dew drops, glow drops, कुछ तो ऐसे है, you will enjoy this. Now this does have like these tiny glitter particles. Face पे बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिखता, but it's giving you like a heads up. Like अगर आप इसको बहुत ही बारीकी से देखो तो you can see it's such a good hydrating serum because I put it on my skin and I really liked it क्योंकि, और मैंने already इसका वीडियो भी बना लिया है. I really liked it because I don't know if you can see the shimmer particles. Can you? बहुत थोड़ा सा sheen है उसमें. It has like छोटे glitter particles, but I loved using this under my makeup. Like there are very few skincare, I will say skincare serums जो मैं यूज़ करती हूँ that give me like a very dewy, nice, hydrated, glow from within kind of a finish. This one has to be one of it because अभी recently जितने भी events पे मैं जा रही थी उसमें मैंने 3 events में मैंने ये यूज़ किया था as my skin prep with a good moisturizer, and I really like the finish. So I really like this product as well. If you want like just like hydrated skin, you will enjoy it. The next PR hamper we have is from IJ Jewels. They've sent a lot of like Indian jewelry जो मैंने पूरे गणपति में यही jewelry पहनी है. I'm just going to show you एक करके. This is by far my favorite earring from them, and they're very inexpensive. I think this was for 300 rupees or something. This is very, very nice quality. And everyone was like, इतने बड़े झुमके कैसे पहन लेते हो? But I'm like, I love it. This was the झुमका I wore on the first day when I went to go see Michu के घर पे गणपति and Kojic के घर पे. So I really liked this. And then they also send this cute झुमकी छोटू सी. It's so cute. I love it. It's so pretty and like very nice. I really liked it. Very good quality. Definitely you can check it out. Another brand that I absolutely love for Indian jewelry is this. It's Dilkash by Ankita. They have these statement piece earrings and even chokers actually. But and I think जो मेरे Jan में राहिल की शादी हुई थी Feb में, वहाँ पे मुझे इतने compliments मिले for my earrings, and I was like, this is the brand that I'm wearing, guys. Like they're too good and I love the quality. Just look at this. Like these are stunning antique pieces. They're actually antique pieces because you won't find things like these other places. Like I'm actually not even joking. Like such beautifully crafted. Look at the color combination. It's like gray and pink with like gold. It's beautiful, and they've sent like a lot of them. This is like a beautiful maroonish set, so pretty. Then they've sent this jhumki as well. Ooh, this is so big. But like I only like मेरा outfit basic होगा, but आपको मेरे झुमके इतने बड़े-बड़े दिखेंगे. That's me. If you see me, if you see someone wear such huge things, that's me. I love like statement piece jewelry. Then they also send this choker. This was actually one of their best sellers, I feel. So pretty. Just look at the detailing. Just like a choker and you're sorted. Such good quality. Thanks guys. And they also added chocolate. They also gave me eclairs. I've actually not had eclairs in a very long time. Let's have it. And this is another choker that they sent. How beautiful is this? And that is all I have for my PR gifting for this month. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time because this was so much fun. If you want any detailed review on any of these products, please let me know. I will be more than happy to do it for you guys because you know I'm extremely consistent on YouTube now, and now people have started calling me YouTuber. So I'm like, I feel so proud. Okay, chalo, finally I'm being consistent because it is like difficult to upload every single day and then also do like long form videos. So thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the love on my car content as well. I bought my new car, my first car, and yeah, I'll see you guys super soon. Bye.